Introducing the Waldent Atraumatic Extraction Forceps Kit, a comprehensive set designed to ensure precision and ease during extractions. This kit includes 6 specialized forceps: the lower molar, the upper molar, the lower universal, the upper anterior, upper universal, and the lower anterior. Now, let's unbox and explore these expertly crafted instruments. Each forceps in this kit is designed for specific tooth extractions, ensuring smooth and atraumatic procedures. These forceps are known as atraumatic forceps, a term that highlights their ability to minimize trauma during extractions. Now let's move on to the tip design and functionality. Focusing on the forceps tips, we can see 2 important features: the serrations and the step. The serrated edge provides a superior grip on the tooth, ensuring a firm hold throughout the extraction process. The step, located at the tip, is specifically designed to improve grip at the cement-to-enamel junction. This feature allows for a more controlled extraction, minimizing the risk of trauma to the surrounding tissues. Moving on to the handles. They are equipped with grooves, ensuring a secure grip throughout the procedure. This prevents slippage during the extraction, offering added stability and control. Despite its robust design, the forceps are lightweight, reducing strain on your wrist and enhancing comfort during procedure. Now, let's begin with the first forceps, that is the upper anterior forceps. This forceps features a straight design, ideal for removing upper anterior teeth. Due to its sleek design, it offers an excellent grip for both extraction and the removal of upper roots. Notice the gentle labial and palatal movements as we engage with the tooth. Next, we have the upper universal forceps. This instrument is versatile and reliable. The curved design ensures accessibility, allowing us to securely grip the tooth at the CEJ, followed by gentle labial and palatal movements for an atraumatic extraction. Now, we move to the upper molar forceps, designed specifically for the upper third molar. Its unique design ensures easy accessibility to the upper third molar region, demonstrating a slow, deliberate grip using the buccal and palatal movements to facilitate the extraction. Let's now look at the lower forceps, starting off with the lower anterior forceps. Here, we begin by stabilizing the lower jaw with the non-dominant hand. Placing the forceps on the lower central incisors, we use slow labial and lingual movements to ensure an atraumatic extraction of the lower anterior teeth. Next, we have the lower universal forceps. This instrument is versatile and is specially used for the premolars and the molars. Their design facilitates a strong grip at the cement-to-enamel junction, allowing for controlled and efficient extraction with minimal trauma. Finally, we have the lower third molar forceps. The design provides easy access to the third molar region. Crafted for precision, it helps maintain control during the extraction with careful buccal and lingual movements. With the Waldent Atraumatic Extraction Forceps Kit, you can ensure a precise, controlled, and minimally invasive extraction experience. Each forceps is crafted to meet the specific needs of dental professionals, enhancing your clinical workflow while preserving the patient comfort. If you like the video, kindly like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.